Welcome back to Strength by Amanda. Today is day 3 of the 7-day Beginner Dumbbell Challenge. Today will be an upper body focused workout. For today's equipment, you will need anywhere from 1 to 2 sets of dumbbells. I will be using 5 to 10 pounds for today. We will start with a warm-up, go through 2 circuits of 6 exercises, and then end with a cool-down stretch. Let's jump right into some shoulder rolls. Let's begin. Let's get right into arm circles. Let's begin. For scapular retractions, hold your arms in a 90-degree angle and pull your arms apart by squeezing your shoulder blades together and then come back to starting position. Let's begin. I hope you're feeling warmed up. We will get into round 1 of our circuit, starting with a chest press. So I'm grabbing my 10-pound weights here, and we will lower ourselves down onto the ground and onto our back, keeping our feet on the ground. Carefully grab a hold of your dumbbells, putting one in each hand. Hold your arms out at about a 90-degree angle. Push your arms straight up and back down. Let's begin. Carefully set down those weights. We will get up to standing for some bent over rows. I will be grabbing my 10-pound weights here again. Stand with feet hip width apart, slight bend in the knees, hinge forward at the hips slightly. Squeeze your shoulder blades together to drive those elbows straight up against your side. Let's begin. Great work. Next we will go into hammer curls. So keeping those palms facing each other, you're going to curl those weights up and back down. Let's begin. We'll be moving on to tricep kickbacks. So going lighter usually feels better for this exercise. I will be going down to my 5-pound weights. Hinge forward at the hips. You're going to hold those arms straight back by squeezing those shoulder blades, and you're going to extend and bend those elbows. Let's begin. Great work. Next, we will move on to lateral shoulder raises. So keeping your palms facing each other, you're going to raise those arms, leading with the shoulders with a slight bend in your elbows. Let's begin. Good work. Let's set down those weights now. For this next exercise, we won't need any dumbbells. We will be doing a kneeling side plank with the top leg extended. So let's get in position on our sides here with the top leg extended out. You're going to lift your body and hold this position here. Let's begin. Let's lower it down and switch sides here. Let's begin. Keep up the good work. We are now moving on to round 2 of our circuit, which is also our final round. We will be starting from the top with the chest press. So I am grabbing my 10-pound weights. We will be laying on our backs, feet on the ground, and then we will carefully grab our dumbbells, hold our arms out to the sides, push them straight up and back down. Let's begin. Go ahead and set down those weights. We will next be getting up onto our feet for bent over rows. I will be grabbing my 10-pound weights here again. You're going to stand hinged forward slightly, and you're going to roll those arms straight back, keeping those elbows against your side. Let's begin. Nice work. We will be doing hammer curls now. So keeping palms facing each other, you're going to curl those dumbbells up and down. Let's begin. Let's move on to the tricep kickbacks. So I'll be putting down the 10-pound weights and picking up my 5 pounds. You're going to hinge forward and roll those arms back, holding them in the row back position, and extend and bend the elbows. Let's begin. Let's move on to the lateral shoulder raises. So palms facing each other, you're going to raise those arms straight out to the sides, leading with the shoulders. Let's begin. Great work. Let's set down those weights and get down onto the ground for our kneeling side plank with top leg extended. Again, I'll demonstrate. You push your body up and hold this position in the side plank. Let's begin. Lower it down and switch sides. Let's begin. Lower it down. We are moving on to our cool down stretch now. We will start with a T-spine stretch. So starting on our hands and knees, put one hand behind your head, rotate that upper back up and down. Let's begin. Let's switch sides here. Let's begin. Good work. We will be doing a chest stretch next. So doing a right and left side here. So getting on your hands and knees, you're gonna extend one arm out, bend the other arm and rotate toward the bent arm. Let's begin. Go ahead and just switch sides here. So extend that other arm out, rotate towards that bent arm. Let's begin. We will be doing the kneeling side stretch. So a right and left side with this one as well. Extend one leg out, bend down, and then reach up and over the side of your body and come back in. Let's begin. Okay, let's switch sides here. Let's get into position. Let's begin. And come on out of this position. You did it. You've completed day 3 of the 7-day beginner dumbbell challenge. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did, please leave a comment below and I'll see you for day 4.